If you look around in your medical field of choice, mine is eye and vision research, ophthalmology. Many of the innovations that we enjoy as patients and that we enjoy as family members of patients, they came out of basic research at academic institutions. I view research as a way to solve problems that we don't have any tools in hand to solve with traditional methods. Research for me is basically a tool to come up with new tools. And doing that in a university environment is especially helpful because you get exposure to a number of different communities, different stakeholders in the university that allow you to work with people that have different ideas of how these societal problems need to be addressed. We have alumni that came out of the School of Medicine that did research with us that are extremely successful because they realize as a physician to stay at the cutting edge of medical innovation, you have to integrate new ideas and new research concepts in your daily work. And the students that we graduate here at UMKC, they realize that this is one of the most critical aspects of their training.
Research is important to me for lots of different reasons. One, I've always been one of those curious people as to, I'm a behavioral psychologist, and I've always wondered, why do people do that? What made them think about doing that? And two, I grew up right here in Kansas City. I went to Passaic High School, and in growing up in Kansas City, there were a lot of people, a lot of my friends that did really well. And then there were some who really did not. And I was just always curious about how do people make the choices that they make, and how can those choices be shifted so that people can really achieve their dreams and their life goals. We see our research having a tremendous impact in the next 5 years. Our research team likes to dream big and have a big vision of what we can do with the work that's addressing health disparities in Kansas City. And so our research really depends on this engagement with the community because they're really the ones on a day-to-day basis that's going to make a difference. And so together in the next 5 years, we're hoping that we can build programs, tools, and also bring more resources to the Kansas City area to make that vision come true. We know that in doing the research that we can develop potentially programs and interventions that could be scaled not only for Kansas City, but across the country and hopefully make a change on the health disparities that impact our communities.